think retinol is too harsh for your sensitive skin? Well, think again. I'm Alice, Education Director at Lancaster Monaco, and today I'm sharing tips on how to make retinoids work for you, even if your skin is on the delicate side. Our encapsulated golden lift range suits all skin types, even sensitive skin. The first step is choosing the right product. Our Golden Lift Sculpting Cream is so much more than a retinoid treatment. The encapsulated retinol with retinol ensures that active ingredients are delivered gradually, minimizing irritation while still giving you all the anti-aging benefits. Unlike traditional retinoids, with Golden Lift encapsulation technology, you don't need to use a tiny amount. Apply a generous layer as you would with any day or night cream, deeply hydrating so there is no risk of over-drying. Sensitive skin thrives on routine. With Golden Lift's gentle formula, you can actually use it daily. Over time, you'll see a more useful, more tightened, more even skin texture. Got questions? Drop them in the comments.